Hello and welcome to a mouth-watering journey. Today, we're diving into the heart of Southern comfort with a classic dish, grilled barbecued ribs. This recipe promises tender, smoky ribs that fall right off the bone. First, let's gather our ingredients: 4 pounds of pork spare ribs, a generous cup of barbecue sauce, half a cup of ketchup, and a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of dry mustard, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Don't forget the garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon each, plus salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. We'll begin by preparing the ribs. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs, if present, for a more tender result. Then, cut the full rack into individual or 2-rib portions. This makes them easier to handle and ensures even cooking. Next, let's create our flavorful sauce. In a medium saucepan, combine the barbecue sauce, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, dry mustard, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Stir well and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Preheat your grill to medium-low heat. This is crucial for slow cooking the ribs to perfection without burning them. Season the ribs generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Then, brush each piece liberally with your delicious homemade barbecue sauce. Place the ribs on the preheated grill. Cook them slowly, turning occasionally and basting with more sauce every 15 to 20 minutes. Grill for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the ribs are tender and the meat pulls away from the bone easily. The internal temperature should reach 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 88 to 93 degrees Celsius, for optimal tenderness. Once cooked, remove the ribs from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor and moisture. Serve hot and enjoy your incredible Southern grilled barbecued ribs.